Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can get Shopify for 3 months for $1. Now, the thing over here that you have to keep in mind is how you can actually develop a dropshipping business on Shopify that can actually give you the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And Shopify is the basis, the fundamental tool of the future where you can shape your business the way you want it, and you can sign up completely free for 3 months for just $1 on selected plans. So if you have not already got a Shopify account, click on the description below in the link and you'll be able to get Shopify for 90 days. Now, the thing that I want to mention and the reasons why we're making these videos is giving a chance to every single individual watching to be able to develop a dropshipping business in a couple of seconds. And all you need to do is follow the steps that we're going to be talking about. Now, Shopify is very unique. It has a customizable templates, meaning free website designs to help you launch your store quickly and easily. And the Shopify actually takes care of everything from marketing and payments to secure transaction and shipping as well. Millions of users trust Shopify to manage their online stores, and you could be one of those users as well. And all you need to do is click on the start free trial. So let's put our email address over here and start our free trial. Once you start your free trial, you will be asked a couple of questions. The first one of which is what best describes you. Now, obviously, are you just starting off or are you already selling online or in person? So we're going to go with the fact that we're just starting. After that, they'll ask you the question that where do you want to sell? Is it an online store, an existing website or blog, a social media or online marketplace, in person, or you're not sure? And you can always come back and change it, but we're going to go with the online store where we can create a fully customizable website. Let's hit next. After we have hit next, it'll ask you the most important element, which is the store name. Now, guys, this is a point where I want to stop you guys and give you a chance to really think about what name you will select for your store. And this is the common denominator for success and failure. A lot of individuals pick any random name and just go with it. The store name is one of the most important things that you will ever do when starting a dropshipping business, because the name needs to reflect the sort of business you're developing and the sort of items and products that you'll be selling. It should reflect who you are. It should reflect your products. It should reflect quality and obviously the ability for individuals to understand that who and what you're about. And that is the reason why I always recommend to every individual to first give it some thought before selecting a good store name for their business. After you have selected the name, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left-hand side, you will have home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, online store, and apps. Now, over here, I want to mention something which is very important, guys, that the analytics and marketing are crucial because this gives you a competitive advantage in the industry. So try using it very heavily because it's going to give you a complete breakdown about where your customers are coming from, what are the age groups for your customers, who are buying your products and services, and obviously what your online store is going to look like, and different apps that are available on Shopify to enhance and help you in developing an amazing online dropshipping store. The thing over here I want to mention, and this is a tip for you guys, always select products that are targeted for a specific age group. For example, if a product is for a female, if a product is going to be for age group between 14 and 18 or 20 or 25 or 40 or 45, try to select a product which reflects the right gender and age group. And based on that, you'll be able to understand what your audience want, what your customers want, and you'll be able to actually promote and advertise according to that. Then after you've advertised and promoted, you'll be able to get those individuals to your online store and be able to sell them, and they would be able to understand that you are a store that keeps in mind the age groups and gender and accordingly gives them the products and items that they require. In the middle over here, you would have your setup guides. You can add your first product by clicking over here. You can add a custom domain. You can add brand assets and even customize your theme. You can explore for more support, and the thing that really sets Shopify apart is their support. They have a help center where you can find the documentation and tutorials on how to use Shopify. You can always have a step-by-step guidance on how best to set up your business online, and there's different courses and community, and you can always start a topic as well and find the answers to your questions and review Shopify resources. And this is one of the things that really sets Shopify apart from all the other competitors in this niche, because they understand what their customers want and they always have an amazing support that is always on standby to give you the assistance that you require. Now, after after you've done all of that, you'll see this tiny black box over here. Just click on it and you'll be able to enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 per month when you sign up for a monthly basic or starter pack. So let's pick a plan over here. Once you click pick a plan, another page is going to come up. Now, this is a very interesting page. Now, there are 3 options available, but before I get into the basic Shopify, the Shopify, and the advanced Shopify, I want to mention this part over here. You can pay monthly, but you can also pay yearly. If you go for yearly, you'll save 10%. If you go for 2 years, you'll save 20%. And for 3 years, you'll save 25%. But you should always start with monthly. And this is a thing where a lot of young entrepreneurs make a mistake, that they actually go for the advanced Shopify instantly. Always start off basic and you can always upgrade as you move forward. Now, the basic Shopify, this is for $1. And if you have not got it, click in the description below on the link and get it for 90 days. You get different features with this plan, where you get a transaction fee for all the payment providers at 2%, a currency conversion fee of 2%, and the features that you get is the fact that you get 2 staff members and up to 4 locations. Now, a lot of people ask me, what are the locations for? Obviously, we're on the internet, guys, and that means this is a global village. You would have individuals from all over the world. You want to set up your shop in different locations. You might get a product that might be selling good in the US but not so good in India. You might get a product that's going to be amazing in India but might not sell that well in the US. You might get another product that would sell in Europe. You might get a product that will sell in South Africa. So you need to set up locations according to the age group, according to the gender, according to the region for those particular locations. And based on that, you need to get products that sell in those locations. And that is the reason and the way to make your Shopify a massive business online. The second options that you have will be your Shopify for $49 per month. You get everything that you need for a growing business. So once you start your business and it's been a couple of months and you feel that you got a hang of it, always move to the Shopify, where you get a transaction fee for 1%, a currency conversion fee of 2%, and you get 5 staff members, another location added, and professional reports. Now, the professional reports give you a lot of analytical data upon which you can use and get that information and increase the efficiency and effectiveness of your business. And after doing it for a couple of months on Shopify, move to the advanced Shopify for $299 per month. You get a 0.5% transaction fee for all the payment providers. You get a 2% currency conversion fee, and obviously you get a 0.85% on the duties and import tax rate. The thing over here that I feel I need to mention is that you get 8 locations and 15 staff members. You can clearly see you started for 2 members and now you're on 15 members. You started with 4 locations, now you have 8 locations. So your business is going to be established in 8 different countries, 8 different regions, 8 different parts of the world. You get professional reports, advanced report builders, international pricing, and duties and import taxes as well. You also get shipping, which you get the USPS priority mail cubic pricing and the third-party calculated shipping rates as well. So you can just imagine that once you reach this part of the business, you'll be able to take it to the next level. Now, all these elements have one thing in common, where you get a shareable product pages, unlimited products, and 24/7 support. You get fraud analysis, manual order creation, gift cards, free SSL certificate, sales channels, market automations, and unlimited contacts as well. You get your basic Shopify, advanced Shopify plans such as the online store, Shopify POS Lite, and you can even upgrade to the POS Pro for $89 per month to run your brick and mortar business, literally giving you everything that you need to develop something that is truly standing out amongst their competitors. And that is the reason why Shopify has become a massive name in the industry. If you have any questions, guys, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. If you have not already subscribed, click in the description below on the link and get it for 90 days. And share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to set up a Shopify account and start your dropshipping business instantly. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.